Quartile. In this lecture we will discuss about quartile. Quartile divides data. Quartile divides data into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts, and it is denoted by Q1, Q2 and Q3. Let us consider this is data, total data 0 to 1, and 0 to 1 data divided into 4 equal parts, that is Q1, this is Q2 and this is Q3. So quartile divides data into 4 equal parts. Now we come on decile. Deciles divides data into 10 equal parts. 10 equal parts, and generally deciles denoted by D1, D2 up to D9. By figure we can define this is D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, D8, D9. This is 0 to 1. Total data divided into 10 equal parts. So similarly we can define percentiles. Percentiles divides the data into 100 equal parts. 100 equal parts, and generally percentiles are denoted by P1, P2 up to P99. So these are denotations of percentiles. Now similarly quintiles means data divided into 5 equal parts, and octile means data divided into 8 equal parts. Now we want to describe here some important points. These quartile, decile, percentiles are not the measure of averages. These are measure of dispersion and skewness. So one most important point is median is equal to Q2 is equal to D5 is equal to P50. So these are four are equal. Now computation of decile, computation of quartile, decile, quartiles, deciles and percentiles. So how to compute these three in individual series, continuous series and in discrete series. So we will discuss all the things step by step. So for individual series, individual and discrete series. Individual and discrete series formula are Qi is equal to I into n plus 1 divided by fourth item. That is Q1 is equal to n plus 1 divided by fourth item value. Similarly, Q2 is equal to 2 into n plus 1 divided by fourth item value, and Q3 is equal to n plus 1 3 into n plus 1 divided by fourth item value. So these are first quartile, second quartile and third quartile. Now we define deciles. Deciles denoted by general formula is di is equal to I into n plus 1 divided by 10th item value. That is d1 is equal to 1 into n plus 1 divided by 10th item value. Similarly, d5 is equal to 5 into n plus 1 divided by 10th item value. Now we define percentile. That is general formula is pi is equal to I into n plus 1 divided by 100th item value. So now we define P50 is equal to 50 into n plus 1 divided by 100th item value. So these are some important formula used in individual series and in discrete series. So in next lecture, next we will discuss about continuous series, how to compute median in continuous series. Median, quartile, decile, percentiles. So in continuous series, median is equal to n by tooth item value. Then we apply applying following formula. Median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into I, where L1 is equal to lower limit of median class. CF is equal to preceding cumulative frequency, of median class, and F is equal to median class frequency of median class. I is equal to gap of the median class. So this is the formula for median in continuous series. Now we compute quartiles, that is Q1 is equal to n by fourth item value. Then applying following formula, that is Q1 is equal to L1 plus n by 4 minus CF upon F into I. Similarly, second quartile Q2 can be mathematically defined as L1 plus 2 into n by 4 minus CF upon F. This is Q1, here we multiply 1. This is Q2, here we multiply 2. For Q3, here we multiply 3 into I. So these are formula for quartiles. Similarly, deciles can be defined as D1 is equal to L1 plus n by 10 minus CF upon F into I. And similarly, we can define D2 or D5 is equal to L1 plus n by 10 into 5 minus CF upon F into I. So similar formula can be defined for percentiles, that is Pi is equal to, we write here general formula, Pi is equal to L1 plus n I into n by 100 minus CF upon F into I. So this is the formula for percentile. Let us we consider 50th percentile, that is P50 is equal to L1 plus 50 into n by 100 minus CF cumulative frequency divided by F into I. So this is 50th percentile.